Well, good afternoon, everyone. I hope everyone's having a pleasant day. Today, I'm here to demonstrate a new GPT that I made. It's called the Art Bundle Wizard. What this will do is take your art and upload it as a bundle into Etsy or whatever platform that you're using. But right now, I'm only going to talk about Etsy. What it will do, once you decide of the bundle that you want, which I am going to do now, and it is going to be coloring pages that I want to create a bundle to put on Etsy to sell. A lot of times when we do this, we have to go one by one to to pick the exact picture that you want. This way you can do it all at one time by just clicking the up arrow. And it will start creating a description, a title, and it will also give you subtitles for each image that you upload. It will give you key selling points, potential pain points, your SEO, a pricing strategy, a usage option, social media tips, ideas for mock-ups, and a disclaimer for your artwork. Because now you have to be special careful when you upload to Etsy. You have to make sure that you are AI compatible and your art is AI compatible with your new system. So what you can do is ask for a disclaimer. Plus, you can also ask the GPT to give you Etsy instruction for upload, include AI information. And it will go step by step of how to upload your image on Etsy. You can take the information that was rendered here for your description and put it on your Etsy site. You have your login, you create a new listing, you upload your photos, your titles, the categories, your description, your pricing, your tags or hashtags, your digital file upload, your AI information, your licensing is going to be personal or commercial, and some additional tips. This is what the Art Bundle Wizard will do for you and your business. It will take care of some pain points of uploading more than 2 pieces of art at a time. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.